welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what to do with your plantains that overripe. Okay, so please don't throw them away. We're going to peel them, mush them together, add some flour and some salt, and then we're going to deep fry it. And so please, when your plantains get overripe and too soggy, please don't throw them away. Okay, all right. So I peeled the plantains right now. I'm going to mush them together with this. I got about 11, so I'm going to mush them together. So this is what it looks like after I mushed it all together. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt. Not too much salt. We're also going to add a half cup of flour. Okay, the flour binds it together and makes it hard. If you want it really hard, you can add a little bit more flour, maybe like 3/4 cups. I think I'm gonna do 3/4 cups. If you want it soft, just do a half cup. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this together. So I just finished adding the salt and the flour, and this is what it looks like. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fry it. If you want it to be spicy, you could add like pepper, like paprika to it. But I'm just gonna do it not spicy. So you have that option. Okay, so we're back. We're ready to fry. This is canola oil, so it's ready to go. It's already warmed. Make sure that your heat is not too high, because otherwise it's gonna burn without the inside cooking. And also you don't want it to be too low, because otherwise it will drink the oil. So here we go. You don't want to be too big of a size, just a medium size. You could dip it in water and then bring it back here. Take a little bit. And then you put it on one side, but not too big. Don't make the size too big. Okay, that's good. Put in your oil, wash it. Put it back in. Put it in. Rinse out your scooper. And get another. You could do it with your hands if you want to. Okay. So here we go. We're gonna let it fry. So our plantain has cooked beautifully. We're gonna take it out. Take this out as well, and then put the rest in and do another batch. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you try it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bon appetit.